What up, y'all? What is going on? It is your boy Rish. Welcome back. We are inside the workshop. Another day, another video. So welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys haven't, go check out the previous video. We've been killing it and you guys have been killing it too. We've been growing in subscribers every single day, which has been amazing. Anytime I refresh it, we go up like 2, 4, and then I wake up, there's 9 more. Like, it's crazy. So thank you guys so much. I picked up some parts from Next Gen Tuning. It was like 30 minutes away from me, your son, 20. Right now, I'm gonna go grab them from the car and just kind of give a rundown of what I got. Gotta unlock the car. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, you already know what it is. Boom. Got some OEM action stuff. I'm gonna take that out of the car first. Let's put it right here for right now. As you guys can see, OEM parts. A throwout bearing. If you guys know, you know. If you guys are doing your clutch kits on your TSX, it's always kind of recommended just to go OEM throwout bearing because aftermarkets don't tend to last, or they chirp or just make all these noises and shit. From my experience, I've been going OEM lately, so just do the same, you know? It won't hurt. I don't think it should avoid the warranty as long as you buy a new one. And they all look the same, so. This is the trainee boot for the fork, because the one I got is torn. Pilot bearing, OEM. Part numbers, guys. Let me go over part numbers, show you guys. Pilot bearing. Fork boot. Throwout bearing. Got some Honda bond, you already know. I don't know, actually probably need more than that at this. Whew. And we got the header gasket. There it is, made in Japan, Honda. Now let's go get the other parts. Alright. You guys seen the throwout bearing? You probably know what was coming next. Yes, this box is a bit beat up, he let me know. But he did say he opened it up, make sure everything was inside and nothing was damaged and whatnot, so that's really all that matters. I am waiting on the hybrid racing shifter because in the last video I mentioned for some reason FedEx and whatever, the tracking stopped, it got lost, and somewhere just my shifter just got lost. Next Gen Tuning put it upon themselves and bought a new one out of their pocket and shipped it out. That's coming, should be Monday, so I go pick that up. Yeah, that's another part. Their throwout bearing and the alignment tool. My last clutch did me good, my comp stage 2. And for the price, literally, I paid less than I did for my stage 2 for a comp stage 3 with the lightweight flywheel. This is a competition stage 3 street strip series 2600 clutch kit that provides a quick, smooth engagement, extended life, 300-mile braking period. That being said, I opted with a stage 3 this time, especially if I plan on, you know, possibly going boost in the long run or something like that, just to hold more power. Competition lightweight flywheel, it is 11.5 pounds, exactly the one I had last time that is up over there. Yeah, that clutch kit I had for like a month. I spent more than I did on this, but hey, we live and learn, and we learn from our mistakes. We have here three parts, guys. What can you guess would be this big? Yes, sir. We went with 75A innovative mounts, motor mounts. I've been meaning to do this upgrade for a while because it's gonna, you know, help plant the motor and the power. With that, got a comp stage 3 innovative mount 75A and a hybrid racing shifter and a bunch of other OEM parts.
Tomorrow.
Today, I forgot I got my rear lip, my Euro R rear lip in the car, and another little spoiler lip in the car. My brother, you know, repainted, redone after, you know, my bumper flew off and shit. And the spoiler is a little thing from the previous TSX. So I need to go pop open the garage real quick and get them stuff out of the car. Then I'm gonna do like a little installation video today. If you guys haven't already, if you guys want to see some more vlog stuff, go down below. Check out Rish Vlogs, man. The links are all in the description for all my social medias and website, things like that. Go check it out after this video or during it, regardless. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see with the TSX is, what I should do on the other side of this rebuild shit, give you guys a little bit more spicy content. So Let me know in the comments down below, and let's get to it and open this garage. Alright guys, welcome back. I tend to start some stuff and forget about it or get distracted and do other things. But with the whole putting on the Acura R lip and the whole spoiler lip thing, I had to go get some stuff anyway because I didn't have any 3M tape or adhesive and, you know, little clips and stuff. So I bought the clips, I just gotta get the 3M tape and stuff like that. So I gotta go to this place, ABE Auto, which is like 15 minutes away because it's like a body paint shop type of thing. So I gotta go buy more materials and come back and start, you know, finishing what I was doing. So yeah, we're going for a little ride, update you guys. Gotta keep putting out the videos. Been really thinking about this whole motor stuff lately and what to do next. And I don't know, I've been talking to some people, maybe something will end up working out, all these parts wise and whatnot. I'm really wishy-washy with this. I'm indecisive, as you guys can know. Like, my plans keep switching up, things keep switching up. I don't know, that's just how it goes, and we're just learning from it all and trying to learn as much as we can throughout the process. So you've seen that, you know, we bought some parts and whatnot. It was supposed to be for the pop-in motor of, you know, having everything put together and run, like the motor mount, this new shifter and things like that. Those plans changed. So many different plans changed, so my plans keep changing in my head and I'm thinking about so many different things. But I've been talking to this dude, he builds, you know, motors and whatnot, so possibly work out something with him and learn something with him. I don't know, I still don't know, guys. Still have to do some chatting and figure out the different routes, pricings, and parts wise. I'll get back to you guys on that, man. That's constantly on my mind. I'm trying to figure it out because I need this car running. So yeah, that's really my main focus at this point. Then we could focus on a lot other bigger things like different car projects and buying different cars. But you know, I can't think about that right now because I need my car running. The TSX, gotta be banging some gears out here, networking and finding my crowd. So Auto Body Express, auto body paint and body shop supplier. So I guess this is the spot to be to get your auto body needs. Let me go in, check it out, and see if they got what I need. Double-sided tape is expensive, especially for a better kind. I got a little bit more than needed. They sell by the bulk here. This is the Norton brand, but the 3M tape one, that shit was like $70, $80, $90 a roll. I was like, what? And that shit was a lot bigger too. So, but thankfully they had the adhesion promoter. All right guys, so we are back in the little workshop. I'm gonna have to kind of go over what parts I have and what I could possibly do, because I was chatting up with this Honda guy, this OG that he builds motors. He's got like 4 boosted builds. He's been doing this for a long time. I was talking with him, and possibly with all the parts I have, we could put something together. Maybe I'll learn a thing or two, maybe record something for you guys and put it together. So I have to kind of converse with him, chat it up, and just kind of see what routes or plans, because he said, you know, around $1,000 to assemble the whole motor with, you know, me having most of the parts and stuff. I just have to double check over here. I definitely can't reuse these pistons. It would cost a little bit more because he has to do cleaning, you know, with the chemicals and whatnot, like clean out the sludge, because he doesn't like assembling dirty motors. He likes to clean, you know, he kind of like stands by his work and whatnot. So seems like a real genuine dude. We've talked in like 4 hours in total already, had multiple phone calls and whatnot, because I was supposed to buy this 1500 motor that he rebuilt, and everything was like new with a ported Type S pump and whatnot. I thought he was a little bit closer than he was originally, and it just kind of fell through a little bit on my end. It was my fault. And then I was like, oh shit, fuck it, let me go do it, whatever. And it just got sold. Then we started talking. He was like, damn, maybe we could just put the sun together with all the parts you got. So and that's when the idea came about. Still have to talk some more, run through what I got, because you know, the RBC gear, the dual valve springs, the Type S pump, which he knows how to do porting and stuff. He ports heads and all that fun stuff. So I haven't ported this one, but like block wise, I think this block would need to get honed out, because you know, cylinder 3 need to get honed out, bored out, extra size. And my other block original, I was gonna do that regardless for the boost build, and went up the size, and that's what I got the pistons, new pistons and all that shit for. Already the size is for that. So since I have to do that possibly anyway, I was thinking about keeping this one for the boost build that I end up doing, possibly have him assemble it. It'd be like $1,000 more or less, so more a little bit. Yeah, just wanted to give you guys that rundown before I start doing all this shit, but sorry for all the talking. But this motor rebuild thing's been really on my mind lately, and really trying to figure out what's the best route. And I know either way I'm gonna have to spend a bit. I'm still trying to figure out like the best routes I'm going. A route that I could kind of learn too, learn some shit, learn how to assemble, port, whatever it is. So that's kind of what's going through my head, but I need to really jot down some notes and, you know, the build route idea that I could go after I'm done doing some of this lip kit stuff and whatnot. So let's get into this video. You guys see all the extra tape and whatnot. So I got my trusty heat gun right here and help me end up peeling all this stuff off to get it all ready and prepped. Taking off this tape is never fun, guys. I'm not gonna bore you guys with this part. I have a little bit ways to go, so. Yep, and still not done. We just got a little over halfway through it. I need to take a break. I hate like taking breaks and whatever and just feeling like I haven't been as productive or I could have done more of this and that. I'm not in a big rush for anything. Like I'm taking my time doing things, but I also want to bust things out quicker and just more and just do more things, which I'm going to be. I'm just getting back in my flow, guys. Just get back on my groove, my grind, my schedule, finding a schedule, finding myself here. Like, it's a real process, and I'm just trying to learn everything, trying to feel it out, and seeing what, you know, what works for me. Using this heat gun, then using your finger to keep trying to reel it off. Feels like I don't even have any fingertips left. Come back to this a little bit later. Do that and maybe clean up the cars again. Got some new cleaner. Went to the grand opening of Jack's Wax and it's like down the street, detailing place. Got some nice cleaning products for the foam cannon, tires, all that fun stuff. So yeah. All right guys, so I actually just finished it up because I was close. All I had was this little bit left. So all around, for the most part, it should be good. I'm not gonna fucking sit there, do it perfectly and scrape every little thing off. But for the most part, I got all the stickiness off and I'll just be able to reapply it again there in that area. I didn't want to stop, then come back to it and make my fingertips hurt again because I legit cannot feel my thumbs. Like, these things fucking hurt. Go take that break that I said I was gonna do.
A few inches later.
Forever love, you know, Patriots, man. OG team, but Tom Brady and Gronk and whatnot are over here at the Buccaneers, so I love them too. I don't know, I like both teams and I like players in both teams, so yeah. Hella foggy, guys. Can't wait to be hopping in my car. Let's go to Walmart. A little bit of a fail. I had to go to a different Walmart because this was like the neighborhood one and they had like nothing for automotive wise. Like, it was just like the little grocery getter. So I went to the supermarket one and I was walking around for so long. I finally found the Goo Gone thing. I couldn't find the damn rubber wheel shit. So just tried like this Goo Gone. I can't wait to drive the TSX. We are back in the garage after Walmart. I'm gonna spray some of this shit on there because I cannot find that rubber wheel. So I'm gonna let it sit a little bit.
11 minutes later.
Get my little Dunkin' mix, you know, you feel me? Feel me? Vanilla, caramel, oat milk. Good stuff. Time to get back. We got the car out, but that was highly annoying. It's not even fully cleaned up either. I did the best I can, especially without having like that eraser wheel. That would have been so much better and so much easier to use. Trying to make it so it's like extra sticky. Just adhesive promoter. I got everything kind of cleaned up, wiped it down with alcohol. I just put in the reflectors on this, and now I'm gonna test fit it. So, gotta put on that little spoiler right there. You feel me? I'm gonna just be attempting to put it on. I'm gonna start with one side and just work my way down and make sure it's just aligned. Yeah, for the most part, it's pretty much even. It'll do, I think, guys. I think it'll do. U-clip stuff. I mean, that's pretty good. I'm definitely not going nowhere, guys. Now let's do the same thing for the other side. Make sure you don't drill your finger, guys. Don't leave your finger up in there. Not going nowhere.
You talking to the camera?
Yeah, I'm talking to the damn camera.
Oh, it was cold from going out. I was just outside, but I wanted to show you what me and my mom did. Rish medium.
Alright guys, so after quite some time I finally got it on pretty much how I want it. Kind of wiped it down, put these fuckers back in. So I gotta go pick up more parts. Honestly, it changes up the whole look of the car. If you guys don't have a lip kit on your TSX, get one, man. This looks so much chunkier, so much thick in the back, you know? Let me cue the montage. Peace. This video I know is long as I know. It's all a bunch of different shit getting recorded on different days and me just trying to keep up and do things, which I'm feeling a little bit more motivated getting back on track. So I got the spoiler on, got the rear lip on. As good as it's gonna get for right now, to be honest. Hope you guys enjoyed the little montage. It's definitely looking a lot nicer in the rear. Little thickums. It's definitely looking good. I still have to put in the U-clips right there, so don't mind that. I have to pull the car in or just, you know, pull the wheels off or whatnot. But your boy's about to go roll up and go eat and shit. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning into the video. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and check out all the latest videos that are, you know, being posted. I know this video is long as hell, so if you watch through it, you guys are MVP. Tacos are here. It's time to eat. Time to eat some tacos.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.